In this segment, we'll show you what's included in the box and what tools you'll need to complete the assembly. Because of the size of the Mainstays 5-piece dining set, it is advisable to have another person help you with the assembly. Make certain that as you open the packaging, you don't accidentally throw away the manual and hardware. In the box you should have 1 tabletop, Part A, 4 table legs, Part B, 4 chair back left legs, Part C, 4 chair back right legs, Part D, 4 chair backrests, Part E, 8 chair front back rails, Part F, 4 seat cushions, Part G, 4 chair left front legs, Part H, 4 right front chair legs, Part I, 8 chair upper side rails, Part J, 4 chair front stretchers, Part K, 8 chair side stretchers, Part L. In the hardware packages, you will find 9 M8 by 80 mm bolts, Part 1, 9 large lock washers, Part 2, 9 large flat washers, Part 3, 50 M6 by 50 mm bolts, Part 4, 17 M6 by 65 mm bolts, Part 5, 33 small lock washers, Part 6, 33 small flat washers, Part 7, 25 barrel nuts, Part 8, 58 M4 by 38 mm screws, Part 9, 74 8 by 30 mm wood dowels, Part 10, 2 4 mm Allen wrenches, 1 5 mm Allen wrench. Assembly requires a Phillips screwdriver, which is not included. We recommend you don't use power tools as they could damage the wood. Keep the assembly hardware in the bags until the pieces are needed to keep them from getting lost. Some extra hardware pieces are included in case you need them.